Hello, this is Mako Ikeda, yes. Since I started orthodontic treatment, I've been trying to brush my teeth more carefully than before. But even so, spending a lot of time brushing can be tough, right? So I started using an electric toothbrush. By the way, what kind of toothbrush do you all usually use? There are so many types of toothbrushes and electric toothbrushes that it's hard to know which one to choose. Or maybe you haven't. And I think there are also people who haven't found a toothbrush that suits them yet. So this time, I'm going to introduce this SOOCAS Neos 2 electric toothbrush, which is perfect for those who want to brush their teeth quickly, save some effort, and thoroughly remove dirt. This toothbrush has features I've never seen before, so I was really surprised. Please use this as a reference when you consider replacing your toothbrush. Okay, so once again, the product I'm introducing this time is the SOOCAS Neos 2. Here's what's included in the set. Compared to typical electric toothbrushes, this one is a bit larger because it has a special feature. It weighs 225 grams, so you can get a good grip on it. As you can see, it's slim in width but has some depth, and there are some bumps on the back that act as a non-slip grip, making it easy to hold securely. Also, it comes with a cap, which makes it convenient to carry around. Another feature is the design of the brush itself. If you look at it from the side, you'll see it has a slightly curved shape, and if you look closely, the center is a bit raised. This shape is, when placed against your teeth from the side or on your back teeth from above, it feels like it fits well. Let me try pressing the switch. Okay, just a moment. Though it may not be clear in the video, the device uses high-frequency vibrations. Compared to manual brushing, it vibrates more finely and thoroughly, helping save time when brushing teeth. So, you might be wondering what makes Neos 2 II different from other electric toothbrushes. Its biggest feature is that it also has a flossing function. Most conventional electric toothbrushes can only brush your teeth, so you would have to brush and then floss separately. This one lets you do everything with just one device. You might be wondering how that works, but water flows out from inside the toothbrush. If you open the back of the main unit, you can fill it with water beforehand. Now, take a close look at the top part. You'll notice a small indentation here, and from this spot, a superfine 0.6 millimeter stream of water comes out. Plus, the water pressure is quite strong. So, with this powerful ultrafine stream, you can floss as well. The water pressure is 124.3 pounds per square inch, which is stronger than most others and allows for precise cleaning. You can target it precisely, thoroughly cleaning hard-to-reach places like between teeth and along the gum line. Once I had vegetables firmly stuck in my teeth that I couldn't remove no matter how hard I tried. Using this water flosser, the strong water pressure easily removed the stuck vegetables. I was honestly amazed. Another thing I was really happy about was being able to clean the very back part of my molars, not just the sides, but right at the very back. Isn't it really hard to reach that spot with a regular toothbrush? This toothbrush is designed to make it easier to reach, but sometimes I still feel like something is stuck back there. That's when this water flosser really comes in handy. You can target those hard-to-reach areas precisely and apply strong water pressure, so I feel like my mouth is cleaner than ever before. Also, sometimes using a toothbrush or floss can make your gums hurt, or you might worry about creating gaps between your teeth if you overdo it. Plus, it can get your hands dirty or just feel like a hassle, but with this, you can just continue brushing and then... flossing can be done right after brushing, which is very convenient. The battery also has a long life. You can use it for up to 30 days on a single charge, so you don't have to worry about charging it frequently, which is really helpful. Some products need to be charged every 1 or 2 weeks, but with this one, you only need to charge it once a month, so it doesn't feel like a hassle at all. Plus, charging it is super easy. Here is the charger for this device. It's a separate part, but you just plug it into an outlet, and since this part is magnetic, you just snap it on like this. That's all you need to do to charge it. You can attach it with the cord facing down or the other way around, and it will snap into place either way. So you can easily set it up depending on where your outlet is at home. Also, the toothbrush stands on its own, so it's really convenient for storage. You can just set it down wherever you like. Now I'll show you how to use it. There are 3 buttons in the middle of the main unit, starting from the top. There's the deep cleaning mode, then the brushing intensity button, and the quick floss mode. There are also illustrations, so it's really easy to understand. First, the top deep clean mode gives you a reminder with a 5-second vibration after 2 minutes of brushing. After that, it automatically starts 1 minute of water pressure flossing, which I mentioned earlier. So, once you press the button, you don't need to press it again. You can go from brushing to flossing all in one go. With the brushing intensity button here, you can easily choose from 3 levels: gentle, standard, or strong, just by pressing it. The bottom, quick floss mode, is a 1-minute intensive floss cleaning. It provides fast and effective cleaning. So for example, if you want a quick clean after lunch, or if you want to add extra flossing after the deep cleaning mode, you can use this. To use it, just fill it with water from the back and make sure to close the cap tightly. Then, put on your toothpaste, select your brushing intensity, and choose your mode. Since it uses high-frequency vibrations, when you actually touch it to your teeth, it vibrates thoroughly, so you don't have to move your hand vigorously. You just need to gently move it along your teeth and it's easy to use. After flossing for 2 minutes, the water flosser will start. Keep in mind that water can easily flow out of your mouth, so it's best to use it before applying makeup in the morning. Also, water might splash depending on how you use it, so be careful with your clothes as well. When you use it, if you hold it a little away from your teeth, it's easier to see exactly where it's hitting. Yes, just like this, I was able to brush my teeth and feel refreshed. I also did a little test, so please take a look at this. After actually brushing, my mouth really feels refreshed. Thanks to the high-frequency vibrations, it removes stubborn plaque and eliminates about 35 times more dirt compared to manual brushing. I think this high-frequency vibration is so fast that it's impossible for human hands to achieve, so relying on a machine allows for more thorough care and saves time, making it highly recommended for busy people. It really feels like it thoroughly removes dirt, so it's very pleasant to use. Also, since you can brush and floss with just this one tool, it saves effort and time, making it perfect for Boro-san as well. After using it, you can just set it down quickly, so you don't have to worry about storage space, which is also helpful. When you want to clean it, just press this yellow button and it comes off like this. You can then use the included brush to clean it thoroughly. If you're interested, please check the uniform resource locator in the description box. Alright, so today I introduced the SOOCAS NEOS 2. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. This was Mako Ikeda. Bye bye.